Hi everyone, my name is Rishid. Today is the 29th of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Bitcoin, which is a new series that I'm starting in parallel to SPY, Nvidia, and Tesla. I've also started gold and Bitcoin just to cover more asset classes, crypto and commodity as well. So this is going to be a new video, but regardless, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into this video. We can see Bitcoin was in a huge run-up here. Now, however, it is starting to go down, as we can see clearly from the monthly charts, and when we zoom into the weekly charts, it will become even more clear. Regardless, the MACD was very, very strong until here. We can see the histogram is now bottoming down, and the difference between these two averages is decreasing, which means that this uptrend we were in is clearly losing steam. RSI, we can see, although it's still bullish, it's still going upwards. It has been going down in the recent past, which is supported by this price action that we're seeing here. Now, here similarly, we can see if we draw this trend line from here, in the longer term, it is going down. Matter of fact, you could even extend this to here, just so it's even more clear. You can extend this over here. We can see that in the longer term, it's going down. However, recently, it has started to move up, and this will become even clearer in the daily charts. But the overarching trend right now for Bitcoin is going down. RSI clearly supports this. I mean, it's been crashing down. MACD similarly as well. However, this histogram has topped, and now it is starting to move up, meaning that this move here could be, if it continues to move upwards, be a crossover signal. But now let's move to the daily charts. Here we can see things in a little bit more detail. As we can see, we are in this kind of interesting area now where these two trend lines are crossing. So it seems something important is going to happen here. So we do need to keep that in mind. RSI going upwards. We can see clearly that these candles definitely show an upwards pattern. MACD confirms this as well. If we zoom out a bit, still kind of in the intermediate term. But if we scale back to where we were a few months ago, well, to be fair, it's a lot more than a few months ago, this is still the overarching downwards pattern that we see here. Regardless, this is an interesting point that we do need to be mindful of. And when this does approach, then seems like something to watch out for. That is that from the technical analysis point of view. And let me make sure that these values are correct. So, what is this resistance? Yeah, okay. So, we'll buy when it crosses 67,000 and sell when it falls below 63,903. No. Yeah, it should be this here. 63,586.38. 63,586.38. Yeah. For the trailing stop loss, target, I'm not going to say anything right now. I want to have a few videos and see how the market performs, and then figure out the normal kind of movement and how much the target and stop loss should be. This week will be at my discretion, but we will close on Friday. Weekly trend up, monthly trend is actually down. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.